Welcome to lecture number 3 of Python coding course. In this lecture, we are gonna go over literals in Python. So, what are literals in Python? Literals are fixed values or data types. Literals are fixed values or data types that we directly use in our Python program. Example, x equals to 10, name equals to rhythm. So here we are storing an integer value. Here we are storing a string value. We use hashtag for single line comments. 10 is a literal, rhythm is a string literal. They represent constant values that do not change during the program execution. So, next up, types of literals in Python. Python has different types of literal. There are 7 different types of literal in Python. The first one is numeric literals used for numbers. The types are integer, 10 minus 5000, float, which contains the decimal values, 3.14 minus 0.52.0, and complex, such as algebraic equations, 3 plus 4j, 5j minus 2 minus 3j, vector type equation. Next up is string literals. Text included within quotes. You can use double quotes, single quotes, or triple double quotes, whatever. It is taken as string type. So name, rhythm, greeting, hello. See, here I have used double quotes, but here I have used single quotes. Both works. Then there is multi-line comments. So for single line comments, we use hashtag, but for multi-line comments, we use triple double quotes. And within it, we write a comments. Comments are overlooked by Python. They are for our own understanding. Next is Boolean literals, values representing true or false. Is Python easy? Absolutely. Python is very easy. Is the sky green? False. The integer value for true is taken as 1 and the integer value for false is taken as 0. Then there is null literal, represents the absence of a value. So x equals to none or null value. Then there is sequence literal. These are collection of items. Example list 1, 2, 3 enclosed within third bracket, tuple enclosed within first bracket, 10, 20, 30. It can also contain string values like A separated by commas, B, string, hello, range, 1, 5, when in case 1 to 5. Then dictionary literal stores data in key value pairs. Example, student equals to name within double quotes, colon, 11, rhythm within double quotes, comma, age, 18, enclosed within second bracket. Set and frozen set literal. So set literal creates a mutable object. Mutable objects are those that we can change after their creation, and immutable or frozen set literal are those that we can't change after their creation. So a set literal creates a mutable set object. This means that after its creation, elements can be added, removed, or modified within the set. My set equals to within the second bracket 1, 2, 3, within within double quotes apple, banana. Frozen set literal. A frozen set literal creates an immutable frozen set object. Once a frozen set is created, its contents cannot be altered. Elements cannot be added, removed, or changed. My frozen set equals to frozen set. First use first bracket, then second bracket, and within it 1, 2, 3, within double quotes, apple, banana, and close the bracket. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the literal lecture. If you are finding this Python coding course helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like the videos, and also comment that how is your experience. And see you in lecture number 4, where we are gonna learn variables in Python.